So hi, my name is Jojo Mark Malana and you can call me Jay, and you are watching Ictus Music Microscope. Again, my name is Jay, and I am aspiring to be an audio engineer, and also I'm a videographer enthusiast. And right now we are here in Ictus Music Microscope, and I'm really glad that you are watching this video because this would be my first official entry for my video here in my page. And the focus of this page is to talk about technology, media, social media especially, and production, music, and in and out church collaborations. So if you think you like the things that you hear right now, or do you expect more from our page, so please hit the like and subscribe button so that you'll have the notification and you'll be the first one to know if we have a new content on our page. So it's been a while since the pandemic has started, and it's been a long way for me to be in this kind of career, especially in creating contents and doing media stuff. So nowadays, media is very widely used in a lot of ways. It reaches out to people, and it has helped a lot of things: businesses, churches, even the government, and even the schools are now using this tool, and it is a must right now to know that media has been part of our lives, and especially in this pandemic, we know that it can make a great impact on the lives of each one of us. I started Ictus Music Microscope when I was still in the Christian Academy as a teacher in music. When I say teacher, it's like a consultant there, because what we do is we technically help the children to practice, to attain a certain level of skill wherein they can perform on stage, to attend in church, to participate in worship. So there's a lot of things that we try to do, and those are the times that I started Ictus Music Microscope. And a lot of people has really contributed in me being like this right now. So media is such a beautiful thing. It reaches out to people, it gives us awareness, and entertainment is just the second thing. Everything goes inside the media, and social media especially, and it's just somewhat magical, you know. Well, I would like to thank all of my friends who has contributed in me being enthusiast of making contents, and I hope this page really helps a lot of people, and also I hope it becomes more entertaining as we go on, because this would be the first entry that I would be having right now online, and it would be a great help if you would be part of my journey as a content creator, and also as a musician, as an audio engineer. So there has been a lot of friends that I've met along the ways, techmans, musicians, engineers, pastors, kids, and also there's a lot of people contributing on why I'm doing this right now, and I hope that it really helps a lot, you know, because there's a lot of things that, you know, the old generation is really having a hard time coping up with, and I just hope that I can help them in making things more simple and understanding things more simply. So Ictus Music Microscope has been here for a long time already, and this would be the first time you're going to hear from me things that I have never shared to others, and it really took me a while to understand things and to experience things, and I'm really happy that I was able to experience so much and learned so much along the process, and I just really want to share everything to you guys. And also to our clients, I'm so thankful that you have supported me along the way. And you guys just keep on, just keep on coming and trying to be there, always supporting me, trusting me in my job. And I hope to engage on more clients in this coming year, more clients, and I hope this page helps a lot in keeping track of those clients. So moving on, I look forward to sharing all of my experiences to you guys, especially to the new ones in producing videos, and producing music, in producing music videos, church activities, your setups, your gears, and the interaction especially. So I guess that's all for now, and I would love to see you again. And if you really like this video and you hope to see more of this video, please hit the subscribe, the like button for more of these contents, and expect more. That I'll do my best to help you guys. If ever, you just leave a comment down below and I will do my best to help you out in terms of configuring your system and starting out your own vlogs. You're starting out your gears, your church setups, your worship setups, how you run your ministries, and I hope I can help you in your journey as you become part of a group that is really inclined to social media, and not only that, also inclined to producing music and quality videos online. So I guess that's all for now, and so see you guys soon, and keep hitting and digging the gold mine. See you, bye.